In this video, we'll learn how to convert crypto to fiat using Finassets. If you'd like to try this process on a demo account, you'll find the link in the description box below. Let's get started. First, click on the Automation tab from the dashboard. Now, under the Auto Convert section, click on Add Asset. You'll see a form appear. Start by selecting the asset you want to convert from. Next, choose the status of this conversion. Then, select the currency you want to convert into. After that, enter the minimum convertible amount. This is the lowest amount that can be converted. Now, set the non-convertible withdrawal wallet balance threshold. This defines the balance below which conversion won't happen. Once everything is filled out, click on Create to start the automatic conversion process. If later you want to make any changes or deactivate the conversion, just click on the Edit button here.
And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to follow us.